Hi everyone, I'm at the new Piet Oudolf garden in Detroit on Belle Isle. I thought I'd share with you the beds are finished. They got the soil blended, and Pete gave them some good ideas for topography change and grading within each bed. As you can see, they're smaller beds with grass paths in between the smaller beds. Here's a look at the plan. I'm just comparing the plan to the beds, just to get an idea where I'll start spray painting when I come back in 2 weeks. So that's the plan, and you can see each individual bed. And then it goes to a wetland on the outer edge of the garden. And let's take a look at the sticks that are in there for the grade changes to grade up to the levels marked on each stick. And there's some rises, some dips. So it'll make the plantings almost come to life as they flow up and down. That was done nicely at Lurie Garden back in 2004, and you can see the grade change at Lurie when you walk on either side, the light or dark plate. So it's very cool. So I thought I'd give you a beginning look at things. I'm here just kind of soaking it in. So when I come back, I know where to start spraying, where my best place to start is, and then kind of get an idea of a rate I can maintain for these smaller beds. So I'll fill you in on our progress. Austin Eyeshot will be here with me, and the Detroit group has a great organizational process. They really had a good meeting yesterday, and I think we'll do well. So I'm excited about the 26,000 plants that Pete designed into the garden, and then we'll keep you updated, and you can follow along with us. All right, everybody, have fun. Bye.